The BSC token is a token issued by the community and for the community to incentivize every user's activities with the membership. BSC will serve as an internal cryptocurrency for buy-sell users. As buy-sell grows extremely fast, the tokens will be in great demand. BSC holders with active membership will get the staking reward, exchange reward, governance reward, and holding reward. In this video, I am going to share a great project BSE, and I will also tell you that very soon you have the chance to buy the BSE token directly from the private sale, and in the private sale the price is entirely low, so it's your chance to buy this token at low price. Feel uninvited. BSC token is an ERC20 token and is exchangeable, and only the entire supply of the BSC is 100,000 and liquidity pool is about 17.50 locked permanently and 30% in the pre-sale, which will be live in only 2 days. So you have the chance to buy this token directly from the main platform. I will share the link in the description, so it will be entirely easy for you to purchase this token directly from the website. BSC pooled and asset staking gives you an indefinite and endless opportunity to earn, where 75% of the profits from the liquidity pools and transaction fees are shared among the BSC stakes proportionally, while 25% are used to buy back the BSC and some burn. You will become the part of the first global ecosystem that will democratize financial market through the radical decentralization. The buy-sell is all in one blockchain ecosystem, which includes the non-custodial exchange, DeFi aggregated exchanges, farming, staking, governance through as an active membership of holding the BSE token. And BSC will serve as an internal currency for buy-sell products such as non-custodial exchange, DeFi exchange, staking, lend and borrow, and more on the way features. As buy-sell grows extremely fast, the tokens will be in great demand. And the best part about the token of the BSC, basically it is a token, okay, you can see it is a fuel, it is a blood of the buy-sell whole platform. You can utilize this token everywhere in the buy-sell platform at this time. BSC will be live on the Uniswap very soon and also some CEX exchanges, so you can easily buy this token directly from there. And the best part, if you are going to buy this token directly from the main website, then definitely you will make some good profit before the others. Now it's the time to give the price prediction to the BSE token. As the buy-sell whole platform is entirely a big platform and number of tokens are going to list over here, so definitely the price of the BSE will grow very soon. And the best part and the best price prediction about the BSE will be around $15 to $20 in near future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity and you can buy this token right now. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some friends.